Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
I just came off the road. I went to buy these because I remember that where my supermarket is, there's a mall and there is a store that they sell reasonably priced items which don't look that bad. So I went there and they have Fukubukuro. But the thing is, it's because it's January 2nd, I think that maybe the good stock, they're gone. So I just bought 2 random bags. So this is lingerie or panties set. It says happy pack something something, and this is medium. This is the smallest size that they had. So I have this, and I bought this Mickey Mouse bag. Yeah, it's 3 items plus the bag itself makes 4. And this bag I can use it for, like, if I'm going to the supermarket or wherever, I can always use it. So I have this Mickey Mouse. By the way, I crocheted my hair like this with 2 buns and crochet at the back, and my kids called me Mickey Mouse. So now I have a Mickey Mouse hat. This was for $2,000 and 2,000 yen, and this was also for 2,000 yen. So let's see what the hat looks like. So that's a regular hat. I have a lot of hair on my head. My head is not big. Okay, Mickey Mouse hat. And this hat is for, is the price on it? I don't see a price on it. There's no price tag. But hats are usually cheap because I can get hats at Daiso for like 200 yen. We have this thing. This now. This is, there's no price on it. It's thin though, it's thin. But this I can wear maybe in spring or lint. This is, I hate lint. Yeah, but this is okay. Okay. And the final item that I got, this is a skirt. Who wears skirt though? What? This is way too long. It should have been a pants. So definitely this is a no-no. The hat, yes. The top, yes. But this, hell no. Hell no. Where the hell am I going with this? I don't even have my kids yet and they want to turn me grandma. Alright, so on to the lingerie. So strong. Alright, so lingerie. Oh, this can definitely fit me. This is cute. So that's one. And then it comes with a bra. I have very small breasts. I have one cuff, so it looks so big. They have the size A. It says A75. I don't know what that is. But yeah, so I'm not gonna try this on for you guys, but I'll try on the skirt and the hoodie for you, but not these. Don't want my body out there like that. Until I go to the gym and, you know, tone up myself. Okay, I don't like this, but it doesn't matter. It's not like anybody's gonna see my underwear. So yeah. And then this bra. In pink. So there are 3 bras and 4 underwears. This is also cute. Wait, I think I got more. So this is one set 2 set, 3 set, 4, 5. I got 5 panties. So I have 5 panties and 3 bras. So this is purple and this is white. And I have this bag. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try on the stuff for you guys. Let me get my hat. So this is a definite no. Mickey Mouse. So let's see. I would have to definitely probably wear this with like a pants. Let's see. So I could wear this with a pants. I have on a tights, by the way, guys, so I'm not naked. Top is okay, like I don't mind wearing it a little big, you know. The hat, yeah. And for the bottom now, I don't know, I'd have to probably maybe fold it up like this. But then what sense would it make if I'm folding it? This is what the kids do. Female students, they fold their skirts so that is short. So yeah, this is too much. I decided to try on the pink. The panty, it feels a little small, I guess.